Welcome everyone. Today we're delving into the transformative world of dental implants. Whether you're missing a single tooth or several, dental implants are a game changer in restoring not just your smile, but your confidence too. Let's start by understanding when dental implants are the ideal solution. Dental implants are recommended for those with missing teeth due to various reasons, including decay, injury, or periodontal disease. If you've been dealing with dentures or bridges and seeking a more permanent, natural-looking option, dental implants might be the answer. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of dental implants. First and foremost, they provide a stable foundation just like your natural teeth. This not only enhances your ability to chew, but also prevents bone loss, maintaining the overall structure of your jaw. Dental implants also look and feel like real teeth, boosting your confidence and improving your speech. Curious about the clinical steps involved? Stay with us as we break down the dental implant procedure into manageable stages. From the initial consultation and diagnostic imaging to the surgical placement of the implant and the final restoration. The process may sound intricate, but it's a well-established and highly successful procedure that has transformed countless smiles worldwide. To give you a real insight into the impact of dental implants, we've gathered some testimonials from individuals who have undergone the procedure. Their stories showcase not only the physical transformation, but also the emotional and psychological benefits of reclaiming a full, beautiful smile. And that wraps up our journey into the world of dental implants. If you're considering this life-changing procedure or simply want to learn more, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more dental insights. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, keep smiling.